Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to hang this Glacier Bay medicine cabinet in our bathroom. I hung one of these before when we were living in Florida and we liked it, so we're going to hang another one here. As it turns out, I'm not going to hang it today because I just got it out of the box and you can see it's all busted. So back to Home Depot we go. Alright, so I went back to Home Depot this morning and exchanged it and we got a new one. So now we're good to go. I just want to show you the back because there's not a lot of meat to attach it. They just give you a strap up here and a strap down here that we'll have to go through, and we'll probably use wall anchors to mount it. These are the wall anchors I'll be using. First I'm going to position it on the wall, make sure I'm level. So I am level. Alright, now that I've got it positioned, I have a 1/4 inch drill bit. I'm going right through the drywall right there. So now I got my holes for my mollies. Okay, now that I put the mollies in, I'm just going to drive the screw in. Now, 2 wall anchors would probably do the trick, but I'm going to put one more in. So again, I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit. I'm just going to take the wall anchor here. I'm going to tap it in. Just take the screw. Okay, so that's not going to go anywhere. Now we just have the shelf clips to put in. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different levels you can put it at. Just leave it up there for now. There's a final look at the cabinet. Let you have a look inside. You could adjust these shelves to how you like them. Gives us a little bit more storage and completes the look of the bathroom. Please like and subscribe. Happy home improvement. See you.